Meaning of dishonestly.
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 Dishonestly. Dishonestly is an adverb that describes behavior that lacks honesty or integrity. When someone acts dishonestly, they deliberately deceive or mislead others, often for personal gain. The result of dishonest behavior can be damaging and far-reaching, affecting not only the immediate situation but also the trust and relationships between individuals and organizations. Dishonesty can erode the foundation of trust in society, leading to suspicion, conflict, and a breakdown of communication. It is important to act with honesty and integrity to build and maintain healthy relationships and a functional society.